Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the review of another newly launched product, and that is this. This is Purple Shades of Love Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. So friends, these lipsticks are recently launched on purple.com website, and when I saw them, I immediately ordered because I wanted to try them out, and also I wanted to share my own experience with you all, so that if you are planning to buy these lipsticks, it will be helpful to you and you can decide whether to take these lipsticks or not. So these lipsticks come in 12 shades and I have two of them. I have taken only two because I wanted to try their formula, their lasting power, everything for myself. So friends, before proceeding, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please to subscribe because I bring such type of videos on my channel regularly. And also please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any of my future videos. And also please give it a like and share. So let's get started with a review of these lipsticks, and after that I'll be sharing the swatches of this lipstick. First, let's begin with the packaging of these lipsticks. You can see they come in beautiful packaging like this. Both the shade name and number is written over here. And this is the shade Love-Struck, shade number 1, as you can see. So here the ingredients are mentioned, and there is paraben in this product. So if any one of you is having issues with paraben, then please don't take this product. It has paraben. So friends, here also some details are mentioned. The expiry date is mentioned. So we are getting 3 years of shelf life to use this lipstick, and the MRP is rupees 399, and there is 3.5 grams of product in this. Friends, the price is actually a little bit higher is what I felt, but actually this brand is always on good discount on purple.com website. So whenever there are good discounts at that time, you can definitely pick them up for yourself. So you can see they come in a packaging like this. Love the packaging so much, guys. It looks so beautiful, so luxurious, so classy, you can see. And the bullet is really very good. It is not matte, it is shiny, you can see. And here the purple logo is there, P. And on the back also the shade name and number is mentioned. So this is Love-Struck 1, and the net weight is mentioned, and the expiry is not mentioned. So you have to keep the cardboard packaging with you in order to check the expiry of this product. This shows the shade of the lipstick actually, but actually this color doesn't match with the lipstick itself. So the lipstick that we are getting inside, that color and this the color and the sticker is totally different. The packaging, you can see it is magnetic sort of closure, and it is really very luxurious. It gives a very luxurious feel, high-end feel. That is what I loved. And this is the bullet, you can see. The bullet is convenient to use. I found it really easy to apply lipstick on my lips. So I'll apply this lipstick that is Love-Struck on my hand, and I will be showing you the shade. So you can see this shade. So friends, the pigmentation is really very good. So if you are having pigmented lips, in that case you have to apply some 2 to 3 times to get the proper color pigmentation on your lips. The finish of these lipsticks, you can see they give semi matte sort of finish. So they are actually creamy matte, they are not proper matte. So if you are looking for any lipstick which is really very moisturizing on lips and very comfortable on lips and very nourishing as well, in that case you can take these lipsticks. They give a very beautiful creamy matte sort of finish, and it has a little bit of shine, you can see. So friends, these lipsticks are not at all transfer proof or smudge proof. They do transfer a lot, and these are creamy matte lipsticks, so they will obviously transfer from your lips. And they will also stay for some 2 to 3 hours on lips, not more than that. So after that they might fade away and you have to reapply. So friends, I have also got another shade which is a little bit dark, that is a fuchsia pink sort of shade, and I have checked that shade has little bit stained my lips. So these lipsticks do stain lips a little bit. I just wanted to let you know about one thing that I have noticed, and that are the shades that are shown on purple.com website. So friends, these are new launched lipsticks, so there are no much swatches available online on YouTube. So I just ordered 2 lipsticks randomly by seeing on purple.com catalog that is shown on the website, and those shades and the shades that I have received, they are totally different. Shade Movie Date 11. So friends, you can see. So this particular shade looked a little bit brownish nude on purple.com website, but when I received, it is totally different. It is a fuchsia pink sort of shade. So friends, I also wanted to tell you about the difference between these lipsticks and the Purple Ultra HD Matte lipsticks that are already launched on purple.com website. So I also have that lipstick with me. So first difference that I found is the packaging. So this lipstick come in a packaging, in a white packaging like this, and they come in a black packaging. Coming to the pigmentation and the formula, this lipstick, they have a very creamy matte finish. So they also give a little bit of shine, you can see on lips. And the Purple Ultra HD Matte lipsticks were a little bit more matte than these lipsticks, and they were not that much creamy, and also they were not giving that shine on lips as these lipsticks give on lips, and they were also little bit less moisturizing than these lipsticks. And this Purple Primer Plus Matte lipsticks, they do glide very smoothly in comparison to the Purple Ultra HD Matte lipstick. So friends, I hope I have covered all the points about this lipstick. So friends, now let's enjoy the lip swatches of this lipstick. This is the shade Love Struck 1. So friends, you can see this shade, how it looks on my hand. This is really a very pretty nudish brown shade, and it also has a little bit of a red undertone, you can see. And this particular nude shade will look good on each and every skin tone. This is the shade Movie Date 11. So you can see the swatch on my hand. So this particular shade is a very beautiful fuchsia pink shade, and this shade will look gorgeous on each and every skin tones, starting from fair to deeper skin tones. Two shades are absolute love. I just love them so much. So I definitely recommend these lipsticks to you all. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Love you all.